Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be setting up for the month of October. I know I'm very late since today is already the second day of October, but nevertheless, I have a very fun setup to share with you guys. Since for today's video, we will be recreating Amanda Rach Lee's October setup in our digital journals. Even though I am recreating her setup, I am still putting my own twist to each spread. The pure purpose actually of this video is to show you how I take inspiration from other designs, and of course show you guys that whatever created in a paper journal, you can always recreate it in your digital journals or vice versa. Anyways, that's all that I have to say about that. All her links or links to her video is in the description box below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just continue on to today's video. Starting off is with our cover page. What Amanda created is in one page, she glued in a cutout of a frame with drips of slime at the top. So I recreated that using my monoline brush, and in a different layer, I will be creating the slime effect with the same brush but in neon green color. At first, I was having second thoughts with the green neon green color effect of the theme because it really doesn't go well with my pink notebook, but yeah, it will ruin the essence of recreating if I change the color into orange. So I just kept it green, and I guess I'll just have to adjust next time for my 2021 planner, which is, by the way, coming on November or December, who knows. But yeah, right now I'm recreating the slimy effect of the Ghostbusters effect of the lettering for the October. But yeah, I removed that clip because it took me quite a while to manage that kind of lettering, and Amanda is somewhat an expert already with letterings and stuff. So yeah, I just didn't want you guys to see the process anymore because it took me really quite a while to form that kind of effect. Now moving along to the code page that Amanda created. For my spread, I continued on with the black background because I wasn't actually feeling the white background beside the frame, and I don't know, it wasn't working for me, so I kept the black background and I just continued on writing the code with my studio pen brush from Procreate and just used a white color. Just as I mentioned earlier, I am adding a few bits of me in the spread so that it's not just copying the whole design that she created. It's somewhat making it as an inspiration, not just a spread that I want to copy. I want to put something that I thought of as well. Like, parang may na-contribute naman ako dun sa design niya. Parang ganun. Probably wondering about the sticker sheet that I usually give away in every setup. Well, there will still be a giveaway since most of the stuff that I use here are already personalized by me. So yeah, the mechanics are pretty easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, Next, I will be posting a photo of this setup on my Instagram account, which if you're not following me there, link is in the description box below. All you have to do is share that photo on your IG stories, tagging me and Amanda Rach Lee. And from there, I'll then reach out to you guys and send you the sticker sheets. So easy, you can do it. Go. I love how my cover page turned out. I can't wait to show you guys in the flip through, but first we're now gonna move on to the monthly spread. This is by far my favorite spread that I've created or recreated from her whole setup, because I know there's somewhat the simplicity of the design or output of the monthly setup is just um it I don't know. Basta, this is my favorite spread amongst the rest. What I love most when I watch Amanda Rach Lee's setup videos is how she draws in a straight line without any rulers. I just find it really satisfying to watch kasi ako kahit anong gawin ko, I can't draw a perfect straight line, which is why I find it really helpful that I'm using a device that snaps my lines into a perfect straight. So yeah. Kayo, how about you guys? I'm sure if you're journaling or you really like journaling, you've got to be familiar with Amanda's work. So let me know in the comment section down below what is your favorite thing about her setup videos. Now, for my monthly spread, I somewhat recreated na halos lahat nung design niya here. So, I'm not gonna go in depth with the design of how I created this and that, because pretty much the same with the first one. I am still using my monoline brush with the cutouts that she created, but for me, I'm drawing it in. So, yeah, I'm pretty much doing the same then. So, I'm not gonna go in depth with the design or the mechanics and how I created everything else pa. I'm actually getting the hang with the lettering part. Fun fact, the first time or the first time I learned about this Ghostbusters or slimy effect kind of lettering is with my brother. He used this design or handwriting on his previous notebooks when he was in high school. So yeah, that's where I pretty much got this whole idea on how to do it in the first place. So yeah, a little fun fact lang. Another funny fact, I guess, when creating this spider web at the bottom part, I had a few. I did a lot of erase and undo and whatnot. Kasi I honestly forgot how to draw a spider web. So yeah, medyo the struggle was real when I was recreating this spider web effect. Again, that's it for my monthly setup. I will be adding more details into it, pero I won't be adding it into the video because the video is already very lengthy. So yeah, you'll be seeing the additional details on the flip through later. Now, for my habit tracker, midst creating this, I was actually happy with the layout that Amanda created, and I was so excited to recreate it. But in the process of drawing it in my journal, I was just not happy with how mine turned out. So, to make it short, I will be sketching this part out and will be creating a new spread for my habit tracker in the later clips. So feel free to skip this part or not, whatever floats your boat. Now this is my new and updated habit tracker. I still made use of the lettering that I created earlier, but most of the design I made use of the ones that is available already on my GoodNotes app. Oh, and by the way, I'm already in my GoodNotes app. This is where I chose to create my habit tracker and expense tracker. I actually removed the playlist since I don't have much songs to recommend at the moment. To be honest, I'm on repeat of the song Ice Cream and Dynamite and 8 by 3 K-pop stars, K-pop idols I mean, and yeah, that's pretty much it if I will be creating a playlist. So I don't know if you guys are interested in that. So I just removed the playlist spread and just exchange it into a expense tracker, since that's what I'm gonna be needing for October, since I am possibly checking out a lot of things from my cart. So yeah, watch out for future haul videos. And on to the last spread, which is an example of my weekly spread. I actually didn't recreate her spread for this one since I don't track my tasks on my digital journal. I personally use my boss planner for that one. yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'm so happy with how my spreads turned out. I added a few bits and pieces of details with all my spreads. I don't know if you'll notice, but I did. If ever Amanda sees this, I hope she will be happy with it as well. Make sure to check out the mechanics in the description box down below on how to get your hands on this month's sticker sheet. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more fun videos in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. May you have an amazing month ahead of you. Virtual hugs and kisses. Bye!